Good day everyone, and today I will teach you how to use pixelab and explain the tools there bit by bit. So what I need from you is to follow every single thing I'm doing here now. Then I'll start to explain from the top icons. Here the first icon there is a plus sign. Then if you click on it, you see a text, a current date, sticker, shapes, and where derived from gallery and drawing. So if you click on the text to give you a place where you write your text. And if you want to write your text, you click on this side of the pencil, like pencil. Then click on this pencil here. Then write anything you want to write. For example, let me show you so to see how it works. Now it looks like we have full design. Okay, I've seen it now. So click on OK to appear. Then if you can change it to small letter, still good. Small letter, you can change this. So small capital letter, you get what you want. So this text they use for making write-ups or design. This current date is the date. You can edit your date if the date is not correct. Then a sticker, and you can trade as your stickers here anywhere you want, anywhere you like. Then you can not explain shapes yet. It's still shape. Let me go back. I clicked on gallery and this shape. See how I got the shape. I clicked on no, I'm to gallery. I clicked on shape, so it gave me a square shape. And if you want to go to a circle shape or triangle to see other shapes, so you click on this the down part where there is square there. Click on an arrow there to give you different kinds of shapes. So you choose anyone you like. Then left for you. Then another one there is where you can get image from gallery. So I don't want to get an image from gallery. Just if you open it, go to your gallery. You can see my gallery. Then you can go to your gallery and pick up any image you want. It will appear there. Then so is drawing. This one you can use to make drawing. That's I use to sign signature if I'm creating a certificate, or you can reduce the size of the pen and use it. I see it. I see how it was. I used to draw, but for me, I mainly use this when maybe I'm making a certificate and I need to make a signature also. Thereabout. That's when I always need this. But sometimes you may need this in order if the case may be. So you can change the color to red, change it to green, and you can increase the pencil size like this. I size you can reduce it like this. I see it now. So that's how this one is smoothness. So sorry. Then if you want to clean this right up, you click on this eraser here particularly. Then if you click on it, then you can now clean what you want to clean. Then if you want to increase the size of the eraser, you draw this thing here to 80. Then the eraser will be very very big, so you clean it. And this eraser can only clean the drawings, cannot clean the write-offs like this graphic design and your date, cannot clean it, and your image cannot clean. Only the write-offs that can clean. So this eraser is made for the write-up. So what next? Okay, I'm through with this size. Then this is size for saving. You can save it as a project, you can save it as an image. If you save it as a project, it will save inside your pixelab, whereby if you want to come back and edit it back, you can easily come to your project, click on where you see my project here. This down part that looks like this. Look at it here. This down part, you see your project designs that you have making on pixelab. Then you say I save it on project, so that anytime I make my clients one that I time for, maybe needs an amendment on the design, then to be easy for me, I'll then go to my project and then edit it. Sometimes if you save it to your gallery, maybe let me assume that you mistakenly um, clear all your pictures or videos to your gallery, and your client now ask you of it, how can you get access to it? So it's always good to save it at your project, so that even though you misplaced it or don't know how it happened, your picture happened or design happened, you can easily get it from a project. You cannot delete it from a project unless you want to delete it from a project. The case maybe that one is less for you. So uh, I always prefer saving my picture, my design first in projects first. Save it in your image, save it as image to your gallery. It's not the problem. Save it as image. You save it as image. You can save it as image to bring, okay, it will bring out this thing. So it's less for you. You save it, make sure you save it as ultra, don't save it as default. This default, custom, low and medium and ultra, there are qualities of this, that there are qualities. These qualities means that if you save it as default, your design will not have quality. Maybe it may have one default or the other. So so if you save it as ultra now, it will be sharp. It's based on the quality. This the design, whether your design looks good or not, but this ultra, we if you save it as ultra, it is better because it will make your design more sharp, uh, and the appearance make it more bright and all that. But if you save it as default, it may spoil your design or it may not look good. That's the disadvantage there. But this JPG, this image format, that's JPG. If you click on it, you will see something JPG and PNG. This JPG that wrote no transparency means that a design with a background. So that transparency means something that's transparent, and no transparent something is something that cannot view. So JPG is a design with a background, while PNG is a design without a background. That means PNG is a transparent design. As with now, it has transparency. So PNG now, as I said, it has no background, while JPG has background. So after choosing the one the design is, then you save it as ultra, as I said. Save it as ultra, then click save to gallery, and also share if you want. Then this side is also for sharing, okay. And inside for quotes, here you get so many quotes. Maybe you are designing for somebody or birthday cards or flyer, then maybe you are looking for something to add, something write up to add. Maybe the person don't give a write up, maybe you go to this place, look for quote, understand, look for one quote that involves something like wishing somebody birthday. So you can choose anyone there and add the person, than looking for forging or not, anyone you want to do, or looking for it to pick a quote and add to it. So this is the best place to get quotes, and they have many kinds of quotes here. So next one here is use image from gallery full screen. This use image from gallery is also same as the one you see here before. That use image from gallery means to bring image from any image you want from your gallery. You can either to bring your photo or any photo you want to use for design, bring it from gallery and come to the pixelab, and you can make your design. This full screen is to show full screen of what you are doing here. So that's how it looks like. Then this one now is use image from camera. This is image from camera now. You just, if you click on it, it will take you to camera where you can snap and use snap object to make designs. This one involves snapping. Understand? It's not involves bringing image from gallery. It involves snapping. Then this one export image also send as saving. So image size, using the size of an image and increasing it. So the width and the height are the same thing now, 1208. So if you want to change the image size, you can change it. It's very simple, or you can follow the ones that are here. They have many size here, like square, 125 size now, like profile picture, something. I see that you click on it to try to appear. Have you seen that? So image size depends on, usually you can change your image size. okay, I just change it. It's to 1280. That's it. That you give the exact this thing there. So depending on if you want to change your image size, this way you change your image size. And this one is contact. This one is not is if you like, it's less for you. And tutorials um is working, but I'm not sure they will give you the that they will explain everything for you. They will know, they will make design, and I know they will make designs for you, but they won't teach you everything. They won't explain everything. That's explain the tools there, everything on pixelab. They won't explain, but they'll just go straight to the point, explaining that's making designs, one or two. Then that's the so this one is recover autosave. This recover autosave means let me assume you are designing something, then you you leave the design to go to another place, or to you close the app, you off your phone, but when you decide to come back, the design the thing will tell you, do you want to save your design to recover your already your previous design, understand, to recover your design. It will tell you whether you want to recover it. Then it's less for you. If you want to go back to your old design, you click yes. If you don't want to know, then if you click yes, you come back to your design that you are designing before, then you continue. That's the recover auto save. Then this open PLP's project, click on it, you take it to your project. Then next one here is exit. I don't want to exit yet. If you want me to exit, then the second line is something like a pencil before a trash, that's delete box. Then this something like pencil, if you click on it now, this is for write up. There's no right. Okay, the reason why it brings out this date here, because this 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 pointer, this thing is already on date. Let me remove it here. If I click on this graphic design now and click this pencil now, it take me to edit this graphic design. Then if I click OK and I bring another text, click here, and now I did that new text and add it out and there. Let me just add something like gift up here. So this is how you see how it work. See how it work. Cancel. I'm not removing it. I want to remove this outside. This one is for duplicating or copy. That's it. It's now two now. I don't need them to delete it. I don't want to full let's do a test here. And then this one is size. I increase the size and reduce the size. Then this one is rotation. I see I'm rotating it. Then this one is changing the size, changing the position. This place is these positions here, like they have the left alignment, the right alignment. This is the left. I see it is at the left side now. I'll go back. And again is that if you want to, for example now, this icon here, a icon here is for text. This icon here now is for object. Something we show about before you start editing something with this icon here. That's because this is where it's showing the surface. That's if you click here now, it will show this under the icon, a icon. You click here to show this icon. If you click here, it will show this icon. So if you want, like now, a now is showing edit to delete, and this one is they are editing. If you want to edit the text, this is where you click on the text to bring out everything on how to edit the text. Then if you want to edit the image, you click here and you see nothing is pointing on the image. So if you click on this image, it's will appear. If you remove it, nothing will appear. If you click on the image, all this will appear. This is how you edit your image. The user's background. Understand? So I'm going to know where I stop. Okay, I've relative position. I'm not relative position. Then this one is bottom. This one is top. This one is right, this one is left, this one is just center, but not the center. This one is the center, the main center here. If you look at it and view it where you see that it is at the center, that's the main center of this place. So that's it. Then next one there is sorry color. So you can take to any color as red, green. There are many colors here. I'll show you how this color looks like and how it appears. It's black. Right, there are many colors here. If you want gradient, they have gradient, so it's mixture of colors. That's it. So colors. Now I'll teach you about colors and how to mix color. If this is how to mix colors. This way, after I'll teach how to do that. I'm not yet reached that side. But I'll teach how to do that. So this is where to mix your color. Then I use red. Next one here is this thing here means to bring an object. So as you can see now, I'm pointing directly to this graphic design. I'm pointing that on it. So sorry. If you click on this, let me say this is an object now. This object is at the back of this graphic design. This graphic design is on top of this object, this square now. If you want this graphic design to come to the back and the object to come to the front, this is the square to come to the front and cover the graphic design. You can go here to this place. You have clicked on the object, you're not clicking on the design, and you click front to come to the front. Then if you click back, it comes to the back. You click on the graphic design and you click back to go to the back, and you click front to come to the front and sit down. So that's how it happens. And this one is for deleting. I want to delete anything. You know that you want to delete. So this one is previous. Actually, to go to the previous place. Then this one is quality. Understand? This one is quality. Then this one is for arranging your design or any other thing. This one to help you to align everything straight and make it that for you to arrange something is belief arranging. Understand? So then this one now is for two things. You can use this one to lock your image. That's you click here to lock, click here, click here to lock. You cannot move anything here. You cannot move anything. So I just like it when I'm designing and I'm doing the first step. I will lock it so that I will not mistakenly shift it. First shift it, I will start afresh and arrange it. So you will lock it. Then this eye icon here, if you click on it, if any object you click, then it will disappear. Now if I click on this square, it will disappear. Then out of date to disappear. You will not see anything here again. I see it. Then this is the first of this eye icon. So it's delete. I don't want to delete anything. This was edit. I will edit it. So I don't want to delete something. And here now, if you want this graphic design to be at the front, to be at the back, that has to be the first thing. But according to arrangement, the first object I brought into this place was test. But okay, the first object was test, but due to I brought it to the back, I bring it to front when I was explaining about this front and back. I brought this design graphic design to the front. So but on my when I started this tutorial, it was test, which was graphic design, was the first thing I brought out. So as you can see now, this object now is now the first thing now. So and that's why this object is at the back of all of them. It's at the back. It's at the back of this white thing, because this is white. That's why it's not showing. If you it is showing, you can move it. This is white. It's at the front. But if I color it now, it's at the front. Let me color it now to show that it's at the front. It's at the front of the square. I see it now. So if you want this square to be at the front of them, not being at the back of this object, now this is at the back. This is how to do it. Who did here? Sorry. hold it here, drag it to the front here. I see that. Then go back. You see, you cover everything. I see that. To cover everything. Then, I'm assuming you want to merge. You want to merge something here now. Let me see that you want to merge. If you want to merge, click on this place that I click. Let me go back. Click. Sorry. Click on this place. Click here that is merge. Sorry. Click on this place. Click on this place. Click on this place that is merge. Then you choose what you want to merge. Now, as you want to merge this one, two. Then you come to this place and click on this thing that looks like something. You tell you. Let me go back. You click on this thing that is this the middle thing here, down part, down. Click on it. Then tell you, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? You click OK. You merge the two this thing. Then if you merge it now, you can now carry it in together. That's what you mean by merge. It's bringing two things together to become one. And this thing is an object. This is a test. This is an object. Since you mix them together now, put them an object. So before you design something, but before you apply anything, edit any of these things now, or apply color or design it or change anything here, you must use the icon for object. That's this one. You no longer use the icon for test because this is a test. But since you have made it, you have made two objects. I don't have to explain it for you now. Okay, let me break it down for you now. This icon now is for test. The A icon is for test. The down icon, the second one, the middle one is for object. Then the other one is for background. That one is for effect. And the first one, okay, what do we? Let me finish explaining this now. I'll go to the down part and explain the down part so that I will not confuse you guys. Then the thing there is that okay, I've finished explaining this one now. The function of this one is for merging and also for bringing object front or to back. Then coming to explain this and now here now the first this thing here is for the background and the project. This first one I click on it now. It will bring many background for me. I use it now, many backgrounds. So if you don't use the background there, you can leave it and go to your gallery and import background. Then this was for projects. It's like I see projects here, projects. So then that is for this first icon here that look like three cycle that are joined together. Then the second one is this A, capital A. It's not showing anything, even though you pointed at this test. This is a test. This is a test. This state is a test. This graphic is a test. So since you have merged both this test and this object here now, that's the ball, this basketball and this date here. You have made both of them together. You now carry both of them. It's no longer a test because you have joined both of them to become one. So the test now is this graphic design. Click on it now to appear here. Let me assume that okay, if you cannot remove it from merging here, you cannot remove it here. You can only do the previous, go back to the previous one so that it's no more merge now. So see how you do it now. See this right up now. So if you want to, click on it now to show test here. You should not merge it. It's now a test. It's now a test. But if you merge it, click here, merge. Okay, it has merged now. Just it. I can carry both of them together. Just it. So it's now an object. There's this only this graphic is a letter and it's a test. Then this graphic design now, if you want to edit it, you click here. This is for editing. I want to edit any other thing. This one is for browsing and saving. Then cancel. This one is for deleting. Is it now? Let me go back. This one is for copy. I'll duplicate it now. Then it's for bringing your object. Okay, me know that is it at the back. It says at the back. Because if I click on this one now, and I click on the front, it will bring it to the front. If I click on the back, take it to the back. I said that. So that's how it was. Then this was a position. I will shoot it and arrange it. Then you can increase the speed. I said that. can decrease it, decrease small so it arrange, this thing. Arrangement is part of the key elements in graphic design. So you need to know how to arrange your design, everything. If you arrange your design, it will not look good. It will not look good. So this one now is for position. You can position it at the right side, at the left side, middle, top, position those position. I see it. So that's how it works. That's just alignment here. Is the left alignment, right alignment, and justify how to then what again? Okay, padding. This padding. Let me explain this padding in a way that you understand it now. This padding now is just like this. I see something happen now. Look at the graphic design, you see that the left side now, left side now is shifting. Now. So let me go to right side and do the same to right side. The right side is shifting. The right side is shifting. You see, I see what I did now. So let me assume as I created this place now, I can color this padded part, this side of that padded, I did padding. I can color it. And if I want to color it, I go to this place that I wrote background. This is the background for test. So I click it. Okay, it's in black color. Let me change it to something like green. Okay, let me use green. White. Let me just use green anyway. So I will see it only color the padded part. You're not even touching any part that's not padded. So that's for that. Then you can even do it this way itself. I won't bring a shape. Bring it to the size. Turn it to the size. Then you color it. Maybe okay, it's an object, so I need to use paragraph for object or image. Then you can color it. Then use green. Then as I finish color it now, then you click on this graphics. Is it to appear at the back because it's come before this. Then if you want to take it to the front, that you go to this place or you go to the if you let them show how it was now, bring it to front. I see it now. But if you don't want, go to the back or go to this place. From here now, from here now, it have appeared now. It have appeared at the front of this one now. So that's how it happened. So next thing is I'm still talking about I'm still on test. Then after that, I've talked about size. Okay, I didn't talk about this size now. I jumped it. This size. They use color for the test. So the test color. Change it to green, change it to white, change it to red, change it to orange. Anyone you want. Then this texture. Let me show how texture look like. Texture is just that maybe you have is an image and you like the colors, you want to extract a color from an image, like this only for an image now. Okay, this is an example now. You need this color now, and you want to use this color in your test or your object. So we click it on test. So we are still on test icon. So you take it, drag this into a place where you get a color, the color you want. Maybe you want this side. If you want this side, you can click it. If you want this side, you can click it. Any side, you can click it. Then you click on this right side. They have changed the right top now, the color to that. They have extracted the color from that texture. I brought that now. So this is the color now. So that's how texture was. I change it to golden color, any color you want. So this opacity can make it opaque. Opacity is make it transparent. Was not opacity. When I talk about opacity, opaque, something that is opaque means something that not allow any material to pass through it. So it's me as I use this opacity now means that it is rightly seen, it is seen and is not invisible, transparent. So If you reduce it, it will be invisible and it will get it will transparent. So that's how it was. Um, this one's rotating for rotating left and right. You see it now. And this one is for masking. I'll tell you how masking was. This masking is used for cutting off parts of a side and a side. Now you want to maybe he has an image and you want to cut off the head of an object or image and use another head to replace it, or so you can use this thing to cut it, a mask. You see it, you can cut off this mask, can cut off the front. I see that outside it was you used to cut off a side in the side. So if you click this out, you will cut off the outside. If you click inside, you cut off the inside. Outside it was, then you click it. Actually, I have cut it off. That's the essence of this mask. To just cut off, that's mask out, and to mask in some parts. This font now, there are many kinds of fonts here. So now you want. Let me show you that you know how to use this, like for some people this font will be strange to them. I change the font of this right top. I also change it to anyone I want again. You see, I've changed the font, so that's the look of font. Then styles. Style you get bold. You see, it's now bold now. If I can remove it, no more bold now. If I still click on it again, it's now bold now. I can use italics. The italics for you to make it tiny and big bent. I see it's now bent down. Now bent. Then this one's for removing the what you need. You remove both the boldness and the italics. It's not underline. Let me show how underline was. Click on underline now. Do you have a line under? So it's for bold. So it's for italics. Then if you click on this T that has something diagonal line or slash on it, the change will go. So that's how it was. Then this one is for curving. This style, I always see this style and applies to logo. Use it a lot there. So this style is a style that you will use for a logo in primary school. Attachment like this, you add a circle thing here as your logo, then about. So this is how we do it. You don't need it. I'm showing you how it was. I'll talk about the background. Just alignment. Okay, let me show you alignment. Let me bring a quote and show you how alignment works. Let me bring a quote. This quote is small. Okay, so I click at this quote now. Do alignment. Keep it like this, align like this. You keep it like this to be aligned like this. You keep it like this, you align at the middle. Which is now. That's alignment for you. This one is spacing. You are spacing letters now. Can space word, can space letters. Instead of letters is giving gap on letters. This letter, I think letter is giving gap. But let me keep it as 0. And if you keep it the words, read the words will be giving gap as that. So that's how it was. Then next one is a line spacing. That space the lines between each right top. So it's the line. Let me take it back to 0. Then next thing there is stroke. Let me show how the strokes work. This stroke is just like let me see the skin. Let me just use skin. Skin of man. That's the hair in the skin of a man. And that stroke is like. But this stroke now, you can change the color to red, change it to green, and change it again. Use green. The green appears visible here. I can also increase the stroke width. That's increasing the size of the stroke. I use it. Sorry. Can increase the size of your stroke. This is like, can increase it, you can decrease it. Isn't it? See how it was. You see it? Decreases. Then I told you that you can change the color, you can change the gradient. I told you the gradient is that mix of colors. Then from shadow. So shadow was. This shadow now is outer shadow, not the inner shadow. You have inner shadow. Imagine that I'm choosing to want that to be visible. It's not visible. It's not to be visible. Okay, blue. Okay, this one the shadow. This okay, opacity. I using it work of opacity. So as blur to make it as blur as it is spreading. And work of blur. This was outer glow offset. I using it to take it like this. Okay, let me increase the shadow. Let me make it blur. Because the shadow need to be blur. Understand? Shadow not to be blue. Just like shadow, just like if it's just like light is reflecting on it and it's bringing a shadow at the back. Understand? For that I use blue shadow, it's normal. I need to use if I am to make this design a sharp design. What I need to use is black, something not dark black, but something black shadow, because shadows are always black. Understand? So, but this is design. You need to some designs here. Uh, you can use any other color, but it's a shadow. You need to be black. You need to look like something dark. Understand? So it was a version of light, and this one now is the moving to the y-axis. This one is right moving to the x-axis. That's how it was. Then okay, let me cast the shadow. I'm not identifying it. Alright. This one inner shadow is a shadow inside. You see it? Assume I'm using the inner shadow inside. If you place the below, I think see make it spread. Then this one is easy shadow inside. Then so as bringing it to the y-axis, and thereafter then next one is emboss. This emboss they don't handle this emboss in her, but this emboss can spoil the design. Let's work on this emboss. Emboss will bring out a design very very good. Game me shows how to use it well. You cannot see it well like this. Only for him just bring in a test, a big test. Assume I think I'm using something like sorry. P. I just calculator. I'm doing this calculator. Using calculator. Then P. Then I'm to increase the size of P. Let me add color. This is. Then I've increased the size to show how emboss looks like, not advance and to look better. This one is not good. Look for a better font. Okay. I didn't get any fonts were here. Okay, here is the font now. So, and I want to use emboss on this thing now. Click on it. This is how to appear now. This is how it appears now. It looks like something that it brings out. It it's not visible like this. Let me look for another font. This one is showing. I'm show you the previous. Look at it looks like. If on emboss to show where increase intensity here. Now you see it well. That you see how it was. Let me see everything. Let you see how it was. I've seen it now. I've seen the change there. Just open it, make it brighter. And this one is where the light is reflecting. Excellent in there. Excellent in there. If I keep it at the back now, the light is reflecting at the back. I got the light is reflecting at the front. So that's how it was. Then this perceptives, look on it. You can just in the direction of all these things. That's how it works. And this one is to rotate left or right. Yes, so I can just rotate like this. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Here's it. Then this one is 3D test. This 3D for earlier. I mainly use this for 3D look, make it 3D look. And look at the depth. You can increase the depth. That's it. Yes. Then you can darken the depth. That's it. So it was darkened. Then see the for light, light will appear. 3D light. Just rotate it. So this one is side rotation. There's no the Y rotation is not here. The Y rotation is S and Y is here. This is S and Y. It's S and Y. If I draw one, is this Z rotation. That's this one. Okay, S and Y have appeared. S and Y have appeared. So I didn't see it there. This is the Z. So I don't need anyone. This shadow. To create a shadow on the and change the color of the shadow to red or green. Let me change to the saturation visible. Then if you change it to red now, you can make it opaque. Increase the opacity. Make it blue. Actually, it's no more blue now. You can make it blue. Then again, expand it. That's how you do anything there. Then that's it. Then this is reflection. It reflects on the ground now. It's not reflecting on the ground now. You can make give the distance between both of them. Give the distance to anyone you like. Then okay, I'm through the test. Then you can go to the icon for image. The icon for image, you just send to the icon for test. But there is some little differences there. This one now is this side now is for importing, drawing shapes. This one is for, let me show you how it was. Okay. So that was. just really used for maybe showing, I say, very showing mark or something. Just like this mask, as I doubled it, so it's not always useful. But the main thing there is, if you want to use this object, if you click on any object here, the uh, the editing side to show on it. There's the editing side. Then the first thing here is edit. I want to edit the circle. Then make it look like this. So it has look like a circle now. It is not. Then not a circle, it's a square. But due to you, I'm making the edges to curve. That's how it looks like. Then this one is delete. This one is crop. So you know what is cropping now. To reduce the size, I said to reduce the size. So I just copy it now too. I don't need it, I delete it. Then this one is bring it to front and bring it to back. I explained it before. So this position can shift it to the side you want it. You can increase the speed. Then this one is also position again. That zone the position is right, left, top, bottom, middle, center. So that's how it looks like. Then okay, I clicked on effect. This sense effect for if there's no effect now for your camera. You know what how effects work, like brightness, that's it, brightness, contrast, saturation, widget, sharp widget, it look like. So this is how it looks like. Then that one is self-explanatory. Then this one now, color. I change the color of your object. I'm talking about object, not the right thing. Because I'm talking about the object. It's an object. So click on this one. You can even change this one now. Use it now. So I'm talking about object. You go back. Then texture. The same thing. You can bring up your texture. Okay. Let me use that same texture. Okay, look at it here. Just extract only this side. I see now. Appear. This is how texture look like. Just extracting a side of a color, a part of color on an object. Even though it's a human body, at first you like the color of the skin or I want to use that color, and on the design you can just extract it and use it there. So that's how it was. Then opacity, no opacity. I've explained opacity. Too much here. This one is color filter. This one is for color. After that, imagine if I add the color thing, just add something like go back. I added the red now. It's for you use color filter to increase the brightness, saturation, artist, brightness, contrast. It's not good to show like that, depending on the color you're using. Understand? So that's how it was. This one is stroke. Stroke is just you can increase, just like I told you earlier on when I was explaining about test icon. This stroke is just like let's say hairs on the body or color. It just alter color or something. So it's like the stroke is something like red. Then can you go to stroke with it? You can decrease it. Can use plus that to increase and decrease. As I looks like. Then eraser. Can use it on anything you want to. At first you click on it. I want to clean this now. I can click with my eraser. I can even increase the size of my eraser. And clean what I want to clean. Wait, I am click okay. See, I've cleaned the parts. That's the part I cleaned. So that's how eraser works. Then mask. I have to go to my mask work. Can increase it. I see to remove this side. Can remove side. Mask is to cut off some parts. You just cut off this part. So that's the option of mask. erase color. Very simple. Everything type erase color. Very simple. Rotate, rotate. Very simple. I said earlier, it's very simple. This is very simple. So 3D rotate. I rotate it like this. I'll show you explain enough that 3D. I'll actually explain it for you. So don't panic. Need to decrease it. Next one now is 3D shape. Just like a 3D test, you increase the depth, darken it, rotate it like this, rotate it like this. It darkens across it. That's it now. Then just rotate it like this. And then you as it's done. So I shadow that things. You want to do as perspective. I've thought about this one. You can it like this. Then shadow. This was the outer shadow. So the outside. Let me use right. So let me use right again. And then try green. Let me that green up here. It's below. Actually, let me use anything there. Let me use black. It's below. I reduce. It's below. Then offset. I set. There's a nice shadow. And let's make it to be green. I can make it blue after, but make it the inner shadow, make it black. Okay, I've increased it. I use offset. I use that SOI. That was. What again? Emboss. Emboss. After you have emboss rules, it's something that is always applicable to tests. It's something. Emboss is simple. So the thing there is, okay, we have two it there. Icon for objects is the icon for background transparent. Make the background transparent, color the background as in now. So that's how it works. And so back, then I will go back. So image size can change. I still have to change the size of an image. This was cropping. You know, it's cropping on background. Just image. That picture also. I need the picture. So also bring image. That's to bring an image that won't use as background on your gallery. You do it from here or from camera, anything, anywhere. So this is how it is. So thank you. And if you want to save, after you save it, after you save everything, you just click on this place, save it as a picture and save it as an image. So what taken after I explain everything. So thank you once again. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.